Hi, Nay! Happy, happy, happy birthday! Sana'y malasing mo kami!
Sira. 1, 2, 3, go! Hi, Nanay! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come! I'm glad you reached your age, 80 years old. You're so pretty, Nanay. And stay cool and young. Love you, Nanay. Mwah,
Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. Thank you so much sa pag-aasikaso mo sa amin, Joy. Pag wala kaming pagkain, pinakakain mo kami. Stay healthy. And we love you. Ingat-ingat. Bye.
Okay. Happy birthday, Manang. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Hi, si Achel po. Happy birthday. Salamat po dahil lagi kayong rumarampa kasama ng mami ko. Tsaka push nyo yan. Lagi kayong racket ng racket. In na in kayo ever. Happy 18th birthday. And sana po many more birthdays to come.
Hi, Nanay! Happy birthday po sa inyo! Sana palagi kang malakas para araw-araw may suman pa rin kami. Ikaw ang Queen Suman. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Maraming salamat uli. Happy birthday!
Salamat ka kasi
nasama ako sa tropa nyo.
Parang scripted yung alam mo.
siyempre tita kailangan
Parang scripted yung alam mo dyan.
ano tawag dun, Maria? Binibrief ko siya.
Parang masyado scripted yan.
Long life.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday to our nanay who makes the best suman ever. And we are so grateful, Nay, na nakilala po namin kayo ni Tatay. At minsan po nakikita po namin kayo naglalakad sa kalsada at napaka-sweet niyo pa rin ho ni Tatay. At natatouch po kami at nagiging modelo po kayo sa amin. At sana po ma-reach po namin yung ganong edad din na nakagaya po sa inyo na maayos po kayo ni Tatay. At parang it's so amazing po na na-reach nyo po yung ganong edad. At very sweet pa rin ho kayo. We love you, Nay. I love you. We love you too, Tatay. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Nanay. Thank you so much for everything. Pag wala kaming pagkain ni Joy, nandiyan ka palagi. Kada uuwi kami galing sa trabaho. At maraming salamat sa masarap na suman. And that's all. Take care all the time. More birthdays to come. And we love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mwah.
Long life. Happy birthday, Nanay. Ang wish ko sa iyo, long life at salamat. Nasama ako sa tropa mo ng mga rakista. Happy birthday. I love you, Nanay.
Okay, go. Happy birthday! Mama! Mama! Chup chup! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Thank you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you sa suman.
Bow!
Happy birthday, Inay. Siguro na-surpresa kayo. Pero, it's our way to say thank you sa lahat na tulong na ibinigay mo sa amin ni Yesa, especially sa paghahanda ng pagkain namin at paglalaba. Don't count your years. Count on the blessings and happiness you have. Happy birthday, ulit.
Mommy, happy birthday until 200 years. I hope you have many more birthday to come. Stay what you are. Stay calm down and behave. And thanks for everything, especially laundry and your cook. And thanks too because I'm here in this world because of you. Then don't worry about everything. I'm taking care of that, especially in the Philippines. Okay? Limit your package. I hope you will limit your package. Don't always package every day. Okay? I hope every 3 months. I hope. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Nay, happy birthday. I miss you.
Inay, happy birthday!
Hi Lola, happy birthday. I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry I couldn't make it, but I love you. Bye, happy birthday.
Bye-bye. You're gonna see everybody. Hello,